On this morning, family, it's your boy Black Feniks checking in. As you see, the sun is coming up behind me. I was just thinking about my family out there that's, you know, have had thoughts about giving up and throwing in the towel. You know what I mean? I know life will hit us with some curveballs. You know what I mean? And sometimes, we have those thoughts about, man, why am I doing this? Man, I should just give up, just throw in the towel. And a lot of those times when we're feeling like that, we're like real close to our breakthrough. You know what I mean? We're like real close for things to start turning around for us and doors to start opening. So think about that when you want to throw in the towel. Think about that at that moment when you're feeling that strongly about it. Then something is trying to keep you from fulfilling your destiny. You know what I mean? So keep pushing, man. Keep pushing. Be consistent with your beliefs on what you want. You know what I mean? It's not going to happen overnight by no means. But believe me, if you keep working on it, you keep grinding, it's going to happen. You know what I mean? I was brought to my attention yesterday. Me and my wife was doing laundry in the RV park. And a guy and his wife was staying here. They've been here, about a year, I guess. And come to find out, the guy died, a little while ago. And we was like, just showing our, condolences to his wife, and she said that he died praying. Said he was praying in his normal praying stance, and told her that he'll be in bed soon. She said she went to sleep and she woke up. He was still there praying, so she thought he probably got up and started praying for the morning. She tapped him like she usually do. He didn't move. She hit him again. Hey baby, he was gone. Let's think about this. This man died praying. No telling what he had going on. She said that he seemed healthy, jogged. He did this all the time, and I think he was 62 years old. You know what I mean? And but she said he would never let her, check him out physically. He always say, God got me, I'm good. So, maybe he had an issue that, he didn't want to talk about, and he was like, well, I don't want to trouble the family. I'm just going to go out and just going to keep it between me and God took him like that. I don't know. But it most definitely was an eye-opener to me, regardless of what we go through. We have to be thankful just for life. Be thankful just to be here one more day. Because, somebody wasn't, you know what I mean? So don't throw in the towel, no matter how hard it gets. Hog on.